The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been out for just a short while, and honestly, it's already looking like the king of foldables. People can't get enough of it, thin, light, premium. It feels like Samsung finally found the sweet spot. But you know Samsung. The moment they get one hit on their hands, they're already cooking up the next one. And the Fold 8 leaks? They sound insane. Here's the wild part, Samsung might not be giving us just one Fold 8, but two. Yes, two versions of the same phone. One will keep that tall, book-like design we're used to. But the other? It could flip the script completely with a nearly square display. Imagine unfolding your phone and instead of a stretched-out screen, you've basically got a little tablet in your hands. Perfect for multitasking, gaming, or even just binging Netflix. Honestly, it sounds addictive. And that's not even the half of it. The Fold 8 could also bring back carbon fiber. Now, I know, that sounds like a downgrade compared to titanium, but here's why it matters, carbon fiber works better with the S Pen. And Samsung's been secretly building a new, slimmer pen that doesn't need its own battery. It was supposed to drop with the Fold 7, but it missed the deadline. If the leaks are true, the Fold 8 might finally give us the S Pen support Fold fans have been begging for. Now let's talk screens. Samsung's working on this new tech called MontFlex, lighter, thinner, tougher. And get this, it could finally mean no more crease. Imagine opening a foldable and seeing one smooth, flat display. That alone would blow people's minds. Pair that with a bigger battery, upgraded cameras from the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and we're looking at a monster upgrade. But here's the kicker, Samsung isn't just racing itself. Apple's foldable iPhone is rumored to be in the works. So Samsung's clearly pushing boundaries now, making sure they're 2 steps ahead before Apple even enters the ring. And if that wasn't enough, the Galaxy Z Trifold, the phone that folds in 3 directions, is also on the way. So let me throw this at you, if Samsung really drops 2 Fold 8 models, are you sticking with the classic tall fold, or are you going big with that wide, tablet-style one? Drop your choice in the comments, I can't wait to see where you all land. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, peace out.